This is the Unit 1 of Grade 4 Science Workbook, Unit 1.1, 1.2, 3, 4, and 5. This is Part 1 of Unit 1, Bones and Skeletons. There's a human skeleton diagram that's given, and we have to label the diagram. It has been labeled for you. In relation to that, there are a list of questions. I won't be reading out the first four questions, but the fifth one is important. Why do you think the bones of your skeleton are different shapes and sizes? Different bones have different shape and sizes because they have different jobs or activities or roles to play in our body. So they cannot be of the same shape or size. The next one is a small challenge. Match the skeleton with the animals they come from. Write the letter of each skeleton next to the name of the animal it comes from. The diagram is given in the next slide. Here's the diagram of different animal skeletons, and the answer has already been given in the table. Name the parts of skeleton A. W is the skull, X is the rib cage, Y is the spine, and Z is the hip. These are different bones in the animal's skeleton. Then why do we need a skeleton? This is part 2 of Unit 1. Our skeleton supports our body and it makes a strong frame inside the body. It gives our body a shape and makes it very firm so that you can stand straight. Because of that, the skeleton is very important. If there were no bones or a skeleton, you would just fall down. You wouldn't be able to stand, walk, or run. We grow and get bigger because our skeleton grows. We begin to grow at birth. Our bones get longer and thicker each year. And for it to get longer and thicker, you also need to eat properly. So, food plays a very important role. When we're about 18 to 20 years old, our bones stop growing. Sometimes we fall or have accidents and break our bones. The broken bone is called a fracture. Doctors take special photos called an X-ray to see which area has the bone broken or not. The broken ends of the bone slowly grow back together again. Name 3 reasons why a skeleton is important. A frame that supports the body, it allows us to move, and it protects the organ inside the body. For example, the skull protects our brain. Explain what would happen to a baby if its skeleton did not grow. A baby would stay small or wouldn't look like an adult because its body wouldn't grow or the skeleton or bones wouldn't grow. What is a fracture? It means a broken bone. How can doctors find out if a bone is broken? They can take X-ray pictures. How do broken bones mend? The ends of broken bones grow back together with time. Why do you think some animals with skeletons are very big, but animals like worms are usually small? This is because a skeleton is for those animals that need support and grow very big. But worms, they do not need support and they do not even grow very big. So they do not have a skeleton. From here on, the questions already have their answers, which are direct and related to the chapter. So you can try answering the questions on your own and use this to recheck your answers and referring to it.